Some people want glasses that just blend in. Well, not today. Today I have 5 of the very best frames that will make you say wow every time you see them. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant here at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And if you are someone who has the character, the personality for a frame that is really going to steal the show, this is the video for you. And these are the glasses for you, because these are 5 of the most incredible styles on the planet. We're going to start with the Wally by Laiworks. And of the 5 frames that I have to show you today, this is arguably the safest in terms of shape. But with this one, it's all about the combination of the color and of course that super glossy finish that you get on the HD acetates that Laiworks are producing in Japan. I've said this a few times now on the channel, but I think Laiworks are at the very top of the tree when it comes to acetate manufacturing. Their frames are incredibly well polished, and it's that super shiny, super glossy finish that really makes the most of the bright orange coloration. Laiworks produce a multitude of amazing glasses, all incredibly beautiful, but none arguably as eye-catching as the Wally in orange. Now, having said that, it doesn't have to be a super thick, super bold frame to be a showstopper. And a perfect example of that is the Reykjavikais Laris. This is from their brand new collection. There are a couple of models that are produced in this slightly thicker cut of titanium. The Laris is a frame that immediately looks cool, but at second glance looks incredible. And that's what makes you really go wow with these frames, because when you notice just how incredibly thin that frame is, when you notice the fact that it's so sleek, almost alien-like, and one detail that I absolutely adore is the shaping of the gap here at the point where the lens is inserted. Little touches like that make these glasses just look extraordinary. They're almost like a piece of alien hardware. And guess what? They feel like a piece of alien hardware on your face as well. Being made from beta titanium, which is the kind of highest grade of titanium, it's what they use in aircraft production, these glasses are just unbelievably weightless. But not only that, incredibly flexible and strong as well. There's a reason why Reykjavikais is my most recommended brand, but up till now, they've produced what I would describe as very minimalistic designs. That changes with the Laris because this has so much more presence. It's very modern, bordering on almost sci-fi inspired, and it's that aesthetic that makes you say, wow, when you see them. This next pair needs no introduction because if you know eyewear, you'll instantly recognize what these are. These are unmistakably Cazal. Although I say that, Dita have produced styles that are very derivative of this. The 163 though is maybe their most eye-catching style of all time. This is from the Legend series, so these are a reissue of original designs that came out in the 80s that were popular at the time with hip-hop artists, rappers, and are still popular now with hip-hop artists and rappers here in 2023. Nothing is blingier than a Cazal frame. I don't care whether it's Maybach or Cartier, Cazal have their own identity, and it's an OG style that will just never go out of fashion. You do have to have a huge amount of confidence to wear this frame. But if you have the confidence for it, and if you want to make a statement with your eyewear, and you don't really give a damn what other people think, the 163 is the frame for you. With the gold hardware, it just looks so luxurious, and little details like the grooves cut through the acetate at the top rim just give it that little bit more definition and accentuation. These glasses really do have a lot of little touches that make them extraordinary. Now, a list of the ultimate wow frames would never be complete without JFRay. We were talking just today in the store about how we would rank different brands in terms of originality. And the absolute consensus was that regardless of order, JFRay were top of the tree. And I fully stand by that. JFRay make the most creative eyewear designs of all time. And whether it's materials, shapes, colors, or all three in this case, JFRay never failed to impress. This particular pair is a combination of carbon fiber on this geometric, almost hexagonal shape, finished with a unique acetate along the top rim and the end tips. Whilst it does come in safer colors, if you want to make people say, wow, this is the one to go for. This checkerboard design contrasts really nicely against the carbon fiber weave at the bottom of the frame. And you know what? This is surprisingly wearable. I think you could really pull this frame off if you have a little bit of a quirky character. If you're that little bit eccentric, absolutely go for it. It could also be worn perfectly as a sunglass, and while I'm saying that, I'm thinking, to be honest, all of these glasses would work as sunglasses. It feels reassuringly rigid to wear thanks to the carbon fiber construction. These are not just an art project, they are very durable and well-made glasses. but it's all about the fun and character that goes into this particular pair. And the 3034 is a frame to make you smile every single time you see it. And finally, for ladies, from the Chloe Riese collection, which is a range created from offcuts from Chloe's other acetate frames, melted together to create unique acetate colorways. This is the 0191 in the color Rosewood, and it is just one of a kind. I mean, it's not literally one of a kind, it's one of 300, because these are limited to 300 pieces in the world. But in terms of a colorway, I've never seen anything like it. You've almost got a feathering effect combined with a tortoise shell, but not a generic tortoise shell. There's beautiful peaches, yellows, ambers, golds. It's just an incredible colorway, and the shape is extremely striking as well. For a lady that wants that very bold aesthetic that is still going to stand apart from all of the glasses that you see on everybody else, this is an amazing frame to choose. It's one that, if you're comparing these against other people's glasses, you'll always come out on top because they just look so special and unique. And then there's the backstory behind them. When you tell your friends that these are made from recycled acetate and there's only 300 of this pair in this color in the world, it makes them even more special. And that's something that, in my opinion, glasses should do for you. They should make you feel special when you wear them. And whether that's with the over-the-top coloration of the Wally, the incredible sci-fi inspired design and construction of the Reykjavikais Laris, the sheer presence and almost dominance of the 163, the quirky character of the 3034, or in this case, the amazing uniqueness of the Chloe 0191, all of these glasses make you feel special when you wear them in different ways. And that's what it's all about. But what do you think? Did these frames make you say wow? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more of the best eyewear content on the internet. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.